In the latest, Bengal LOP Shubhendu Adhikari has hit out at Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Shubhendu has said Khela Hobe turns into loot fest. Shubhendu Adhikari has said that people were treated as second-class citizens, and he said that TMC's criminal assault on West Bengal's pride is extremely embarrassing and shameful. He's also gone on to say that passionate football players have been betrayed and the onus of it lies on the Mamata government. Let me take this back to my colleague Anirban, who has been tracking all the developments on the ground. Anirban, obvious move by the BJP to go all out and attack the TMC government, and only on all valid grounds. How is this attack panning out?
The attack is panning up, as we have seen that two of the ministers of TMC Trinamool Congress as Bengal government, two ministers were present over there in the ground. One is Sujit Bose, who already posted his pictures with Messi alone in the hotel, as well as today Arup Bishwas, who was taking care of this event. After that, what happened? The people are saying that Neta Mantris have gherowed Messi and his team, and that's why they were not being able to see Messi properly. And also there is lots of local stars and celebrities and VVIPs were there, and beyond this there is a security team that is beyond everything. So right now there is three guests, that is Rodrigo de Paul, Lionel Messi and Suarez, but surrounding them there is around 200 to 300 people in the ground. So that's why even BJP has claimed that they have claimed a clear cut action for this, and also they have said that already TMC has done a blunder. The TMC ministers have done a blunder. That's why they are claiming that Arup Bishwas, as said, that Arup Bishwas and also the Sujit Bose should kept into this enquiry and should be booked by police. And apart from this, what we have seen, that DGP has already given a press brief where he has said that the Shatodru Datta, who is the main organizer, has already been detained.
Right.
And he will be questioned, and further investigation will go on after this.
In fact, Anirban, the BJP is not just calling this a huge disgrace, but also a major scam. Now we wait to get to the bottom of it, to who really was responsible and what are the inside details. Thank you at the moment for joining us.